Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Tennant Boss 2000 LE carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance and minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we have a torn or broken belt. The belt sits right here between the brush roll and the brush motor, and we have to replace it. Super simple. This is how you do it. So the first step we need to do is we've got to remove these 12 Phillips head screws. Just like that. The next step in replacing the belt on your machine, what we're going to do is we're going to loosen the 10mm nuts on your brush motor. Just like that. Now we're going to take the brush motor, pull it down to take tension off of the belt. Next, we are going to pull out the brush roll. Just like that, set that off to the side. Now we can take the brush motor and bracket and simply slide this out. Just like that. And now you can remove the old belt. Now to install your new belt, just reverse the steps. Put it back on the brush motor pulley. Slide your brush motor back into place. Just like that. Take your brush roll. Slide it back on the brush roll pulley. Slide your brush roll back into place as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put tension on the new belt. And then tighten down the two 10mm nuts. Just like that. The final step is going to replace the base plate and tightening those 12 screws back down. Just line it up. Get one started. Just like that. Now get your drill and tighten down the 12 screws. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.